Alright. 1981, 84, 85, and 86. And these are 91, 1992, 96, and I think the 2003, and 1994, and a clad penny, and a 1998 dime. All found on one of the walking paths down here in Greenwood. So hit the walking trails, walking paths, whatever you want to call them. Get out and dig. That's where you're going to find the stuff.